Good afternoon. Blue skies, sunshine. You can see a lot of that snow melted and a lot of brown showing up now, hopefully to turn green soon as we get warmer temperatures as we continue to warm up and start to have spring kick in. Let's take a look at our temperatures right now. We are rising above freezing in a good portion of the valley. We're at 34 degrees in Fargo. It's 33 in Grand Forks and 37 up in Hallock and Langdon. That's an area where we have some of our warmer numbers. A few of us still below freezing right now, but those temperatures will continue to climb. One thing that is kind of hampering that temperature rise is the wind. It's coming in out of the north, and we're seeing it pick up just a little bit in places like Wadena, Fergus Falls, and over toward Fargo, where we've got some gusts into the low 20s there. So that's going to drive in a little cooler air and make it even feel cooler to be outdoors in that wind. A look at our radar and satellite map. This is a view of our visible satellite. So you can see where there's movement here. That's where the cloud cover is moving on. But where you see that static area of white, that's the snowpack. So we still have snow in a good portion of Steele County, Trail County, northern Cass. But we've had a lot of melting around Fargo and points south up toward Grand Forks as well. Still seeing some of that snow. And expanding the view, as the system moves on, you can see right where that heavy snow has fallen in southern parts of Minnesota, and that is going to stick around for a little while. When you have a foot to 2 feet of snow, you're going to be dealing with that and sticking around even with some warmer temperatures, at least for a few days. And this whole system moving on, so now it's impacting the East Coast, still affecting parts of the Great Lakes, even down into the Ohio River Valley. Right in the heart of the plains, things are looking a lot quieter here, and we'll continue that trend into the afternoon hours and night hours tonight. So checking out our hour-by-hour planner, those temperatures still rising. As we get into the later afternoon, we're looking at some 40s, maybe even some upper 40s if we can get that wet sun to really help us out here with some warming. The wind again out of the north into the teens, but as we've seen, maybe a couple of gusts into the 20s. Ahead for later on tonight, not bad temperatures, still in the upper 20s to some low 30s for your late night hours tonight. And progressing into tomorrow morning, more clear skies, just a few passing clouds to start off our day. We'll have some sunshine to start with some temperatures that are slightly milder than what we started with today. You can see some clouds trying to work their way into our western viewing area later on in the morning hours and continuing into the afternoon. So by noon, many places in eastern North Dakota seeing some cloud cover overhead, especially over by Devil's Lake and Jamestown. Temperatures at this point warming up. We'll be into some upper 30s at lunch, and we really see those temperatures soar into the afternoon. Some 40s across much of the valley, maybe adding a few more degrees to our temperature today. So the possibility there that we could see a 50-degree reading or two here in the valley for your highs tomorrow. A little breezy in advance of this next system that's starting to show up on our forecast model here into the evening hours Tuesday night, and that will eventually be marching eastward for Wednesday, and that will be kind of our one system that has an impact on us for the forecast this week. The moisture with this one, the focus will be farther south, but we'll still see that chance for some rain and some snow. And then ahead for the rest of the week, we just rebound. We warm right back up, back into some 40s, even 50s, getting close to 60 on Sunday. So the weekend looks fantastic. Let's hope we can hold on to those temperatures, but it does appear that we're finally turning a corner here towards spring.
I never thought I would be impressed with 39 degrees in April.
And that's our lowest temperature for a high in the next 7 days. So we're happy with it, and we'll continue building from there.
All right. Thank you very much, Lisa. Straight ahead.